Okay, this is Mark, and this is Lane. We are in Northwest Ontario. A couple things that'll work really well for the boat. We're at an outpost. They give you these boat seats that are really bad. They wobble all over. They're not very steady. So Lane came up with an idea. He said, hey, we've got chairs in the cabin. As it turns out, they have folding chairs in the cabin with braces on the bottom. So we take the chair, we put it up here. Actually, it'll look better this way. Put it up here. It's pretty stable. I get to sit up here, put my feet up, and I get to fish. If I want to face the other way, take the chair off, spin it around. I can also put my feet up in the front, be able to fish. It's a lot more comfortable. Next, found something when I was building my shed. They give you these braces here. These braces for putting the vinyl siding on the shed. Well, I put a little bit of foam inside of here, and now I can hang all the lures on them. Take the lures out of the tackle box. Don't have to go back into the tackle box. I've got them there. I've got them over here. I've got them all over here. And what I do is I just duct tape them to the side of the boat. Got them all over there. Don't have to keep going into the tackle box. The third thing, pole holders. On the very back of the boat, we've got a pole holder. But it's metal, and it doesn't clamp on to the sides of the boat very well. So I got these pole holders. These pole holders work very well, except they like to twist after a while. So I got zip ties that are removable. These zip ties I just put on there. I put from the metal onto the plastic through the hole here and tighten them down. And now it'll only turn so far. So, hope that helps you. Thank you for coming.